Sectional drawing are multi-view technical drawing that contain special view of a part, or parts views, that reveal interior feature used to improve clarity, and reveal internal cross-sections of parts. Note: a primary reason for creating a sectional view is the elimination of hidden lines, so that a drawing can be more easily understood or visualized. Let's take an example to understand this better. A section view reveals hidden features without the use of hidden lines. For instance, let's consider a simple part with a key slot as shown. There are times when a minimum number of hidden lines are needed to represent features other than the primary one shown by the section. Observe here that the through and through cavity may not be represented properly with just two views, since it could be mistaken with a circular hole. Now let's observe here how taking an imaginary section plane, appropriately passing through the key slot of the fixture plate, splits the part. Observe that the split view reveals important clarity with respect to the keyhole. Then, when the derived section view is added alongside the orthographic top view, provides complete clarity of the machine's keyhole. Now let's see how to correctly represent a section area. Figure shows a view for which the cutting plane passes through the center of a counterboard hole. A line represents the change of planes between the drilled and counterboard holes, and is an example of a visible feature that is behind the cutting plane. As shown in the correct drawing, the section-lined areas are bounded by visible lines, never by hidden lines. Here are some key points with respect to section views. The imaginary plane is called a section plane or a cutting plane. The surface produced by cutting the object by the section plane is called as the section. It is shown by thin section lines uniformly spaced and inclined at 45 degrees. The projection of the section along with the remaining portion of the object is called a sectional view. Full section view, where the section plane go completely through the object. Observe how the cutting plane is drawn, and how the cross-hatching line mark the surfaces of material cut by the cutting plane. Half section view, where the section plane go halfway through the object. Half section views are used mainly in case of symmetric objects. Offset section, where the sectional plane bends through the features that are not aligned. Offset section are used to show interior features that do not lie along a straight line. Broken out section, where the section go through part of the object. A broken out section view is used to reveal crucial interior features in a small localized section of a large object. To know more, sign up to www.lynxe.in.